Mein Name ist Sandhyashree. Du kannst mich Sandy nennen. Ich komme aus Bengaluru, Indien. Ich bin ledig. Ich bin 30 Jahre alt. Ich arbeite als Business Analystin.
Can you tell us a bit more about your German? How was it before you had joined this course, and how is that now?
Hello, everyone. I think probably you have noticed how my before German was. I was not able to answer for how old am I or what is my name. I was that beginner, although I was in Germany for almost 3 years. I have somehow did not attempt to learn German, but I wanted to learn. I saw your program through LinkedIn, and I was interested. Like, how can this program be for just 3 months, and how can I be able to talk fluently? I was wondered, but your team, all the coaches, you, everyone, you have put in so much effort. You make sure that, yeah, I felt a bit pushy, but of course, it is for my own good that you, Mira, Vanessa, and recently Katerina, all of them like pushed me to be better, correct my every word. I feel so confident now. Like I even attended many appointments in German. I think two appointments I was able to give it completely in German. I felt so confident, and I feel also be proud because I am in Germany, and I'm already speaking German. It feels good compared to my peers who are still in the learning phase. So I really I can definitely recommend this course to anyone who wants to just start and get started faster and learn quicker. This course is amazing, and yeah, all the best to you guys. And hopefully, I would want to further upgrade my skills to C1 or C2. Probably, I will again be in touch with you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
how is your
Thanks a
life
lot.
now if you compare your life before German, before being able to speak German, and how is that now? What's the main difference?
Main difference is my confidence, and my attitude towards looking at things now is different. Earlier, I was underconfident and I was very hesitant to reach out to people who are maybe other Germans or maybe in the groceries market or in my office. But now, I kind of put my head straight and just talk what I know, and that feels gives so much confidence. And people are actually listening and responding to me in German back. That means that I'm doing something right, and my German is doing well with them. So yeah, the confidence. I think every task we do, confidence makes a lot of difference. That kind of confidence I've gotten through this course. Yeah,
Really happy to hear
for
that.
sure.
Is there anything you'd like to say to someone who would consider joining this course? Let's say first time when we met, we made a qualification call and you made a decision, okay, I'll join. What would you like to say to that person who is also now supposed to sit with me on the call? He will apply and he need to make a decision. Okay, should I join this course?
I would definitely recommend them to this course, because if you think that you have no idea about German, and if you want to learn German faster within 3 to 4 months and be able to fluently speak German to some extent at to B1 or B2 level, then I definitely recommend this course. You will make sure the course, the coaches or the people in this Lightspeed, they make sure that they follow up every day and make sure that you learn things. Not only learn, you also execute things by speaking German, and they make you like feel so confident about yourself. I feel that you definitely go for this course if you're a beginner.